We recommend watching the entire video before proceeding with the assembly and installation of the printer to carry out the entire process in a continuous manner. Use protection when handling inks, as they are corrosive. Turn off and unplug the printer before handling any components. We present the unboxing and installation of the InkOne VM4 printer. We start by opening the box and removing all the components. We take out the box and remove its components. We unseal the printer. We open the cover and carefully unscrew and remove the head carriage lock. We connect the power cable and press the power button located on the back. We turn on the printer by rotating this button. We center the print head by pressing the left arrow button on the panel. We remove the head carriage protector. We insert the waste ink tubes into the waste bottle and place it in position with its respective base. We connect the network cable directly from the printer to the computer. It is important that it is a direct connection and that you use a gigabit network card. Now, let's install the driver. First, we insert the silver USB that contains the Hosensoft driver. We create a folder on our computer named InkOne. Next, we copy all the USB content to this folder. Then, we safely eject the USB. Next, we go to the Windows Security section. We click on Virus and Threat Protection and then on Manage Settings. We add the InkOne folder to the antivirus exclusions. Once done, we return to the InkOne folder and extract the contents of the compressed file. We locate the printesc file and create a shortcut on the desktop. We open the program. If your interface is in another language, you can change it. To do this, go to the last tab and select the last section. This will open several buttons. Click on the second one. In the Language tab, select your preferred language. For the changes to take effect, close the program and reopen it. Now, let's configure the IP parameters. Click on Advance, then on Net Settings. Select TCP and enter the IP address 192.168.127.25. Click Set. If the connection turns green, it means it has connected successfully. Now, let's fill the inks. To do this, the printer must be turned off. Shake all the bottles well before inserting the ink into the printer. We introduce the ink into its respective container. Once all the inks are filled, we will extract air from the dampers. we remove the white ink separator and take out the dampers. Using a syringe and a needle tip, we extract the air from the dampers. The extracted ink must be discarded. We repeat the process for both the white ink and color dampers. We place the dampers back in position and screw the white ink separator back.
We go to the controller to do a head test.
Click on Settings and then on Load Ink. Click Stop after 30 seconds and wait 5 to 10 seconds. Click Load Ink again. Click Stop after 30 seconds. Then, clean the injector. It is recommended to perform a normal cleaning first and then a light cleaning. Click Check to print or click Adjust. Click Nozzle Check. Click Print Adjustment. There are broken holes, oblique lines, and color areas. A clogged injector might be the cause. Cleaning is required until the ink injector is in optimal condition. Now, we connect the silver USB containing the RIP and install the program. At the end of the installation, it will ask for the dongle, the blue USB, and we insert it. Once inserted, we open the program. We change the unit of measurement to centimeters and set the desired language. Next, we will install the driver. Click on the printer button and select Import Printer. We search for the driver in the InkOne folder we created earlier. The file to import has the extension Mount Driver. Then, we set it as the default printer. Next, we configure the white ink channel. In this case, we reduce 0.10 in all directions to avoid overflow. Now, we click on W2 for varnish, click Extend, and set it to 0.20. Next, we add an image. Now, everything is ready to print. To do so, we simply go to the RIP icon. In the driver configuration, we can select profiles or adjust ink parameters. Once everything has been reviewed, we are ready to print.